In this video, I'm going to show you how important it is to stay organized as a graphic designer, along with the 4 best tools to help you do just that, coming up. Hi, I'm Bradley, the CEO, owner, and head designer of the graphic design marketing firm BDesign. As graphic designers are constantly surrounded by clients, each of them comes with their own folders of expectations and requirements. That's why we at BDesign need a bit of organization to make our lives a bit easier. The purpose of this video is to give you a few pointers when it comes to your organization skills. Some of them might sound a bit obvious, but it's the advice that people typically look over the most. When working in an agency, there is a project manager that helps you with organizing your work. The most important thing is not to lose your head when trying to keep up. There are many organizational techniques that you could use according to your style. No matter what kind of work you do, there's always loads of information that needs to be filed. I find it helpful to categorize each different topic according to project and date. You'll be thanking yourself when you go back and reference a specific project. You won't have to go back weeks or even months of hard work to find that one piece of the puzzle. Instead, it'll be laid out beautifully, organized in front of you. When you're working on a project, big or small, make copies. Things do accidentally get deleted, programs crash, and accidents just happen. In order to avoid a total meltdown, take the few extra seconds it takes to make copies and store it on a hard drive or in your backup files. Possibly the best advice anyone can give you is to invest in organizational software like Trello or Basecamp. It doesn't have to be fancy, and oftentimes they're free, but they are infinitely helpful. Or you could at least be marking things down on a piece of paper. Let's take some time and actually take a look at some of these softwares that could help you keep things organized as a graphic designer. First, let's take a look at Trello. We at BDesign love Trello because it works perfectly for people who work independently and not necessarily in a team. With Trello, you could create boards, lists, cards that help you organize and prioritize your projects in a way that doesn't seem irritating. On top of all that, Trello offers a free version, so it's easy to get started. The second tool is Basecamp. This is a great tool that combines all the tools you need to stay organized in one place. There are plenty of features to help you collaborate, share information, and store data for a project. Although it's not exactly free, Basecamp is a great solution for your organizational needs. The third tool that could help you keep your clients, projects, and life organized is Toggle. One of the biggest problems with staying organized is time. Toggle is a great online time tracking tool that will help you combat time tracking issues, all at a reasonable cost. It does have a free version, so be sure to check it out. The fourth and final tool that will help you stay organized, and the one tool that we all have access to, is Gmail. BDesign's done a video on how to use Google Calendars and your Google account to keep your business, projects, clients, and life organized. And I'll be sure to link that up down in the description below. Again, everyone has their own style, so stick to what helps you stay organized. But don't be afraid to use new methods every once in a while. In the end, there really isn't a right or wrong recipe to staying organized. Do whatever it takes to get the project done, and stay organized while doing it. If you got value out of this video, and you want more videos on how to further your business and designs, consider subscribing and smashing that like button. And don't forget, if you dream it, we at BDesign can help you design it. Bye!